Ladies and gentlemen, right about now. Come on! What we do? Say what? Come on. Baby, you love this song. You gotta hold on. And I go fire bazooka for your sake. Rwanda! Damn. The energy is crazy already, huh? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Hold on. This side, the energy is not. Uganda was. Rwanda was better. This energy, give me the energy one time. This side too. Hold on. Wake up. Are you ready? Hold on. Listen, I just dropped a new song with Davido. Can I play it? Can I teach you? Everybody say enjoyment's gonna easy. Say enjoyment's gonna easy. One time, enjoyment's gonna easy. Are you ready? Listen, when I say, baby, how far? You say, how far? Are you hear me? Baby, how far? One more time, I gotta say 2 times first. Baby, how far? Let's go! Come on! Here we go! Come on! Run! Come on! Are you there? Yay! Turn up! Yeah. What you say? Sing one smile. Come on. Everybody, so love me. He hide me. You know I need. Come on. You said bum. You the mentor. Come on. You the mentor. No easy. Come on. Everybody up top. Listen. What they say. Ain't Johnny's got a easy. One time. Say what? Everybody one time. Say that. One time. Let's go. Come on. Rwanda, how you feeling? Okay. Is there anyone here that's tired? Are you tired? Are you tired? Somebody say, cool. We wanna party. Let's go. Somebody say, cool. We wanna party. Let's go. Hold on. I want to get the energy up all the way right now. You with me? I got 2 minutes to give you some energy. Are you there? 2 minutes. Let's go. Finish on the ground. We gotta move this. Off and on. You ready? Are you ready for the video? Purple lights. And you're special.
Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to start. The person we've all come here to see, 001, Maya, Scorpio, Mr. Fire himself, Davido is about to step out and give you the very time of your life. If I were you, I would hurry up to my seat right now. So grab your little drink, pay for your food, quick fit check, call your people. We are about to take off. Don't let anybody tell you about the entrance that you have just missed. We're about to have a time. Please go to your seats. Thank you. You are most welcome. Enjoy.
It is showtime! Hey, yo, Kigali! In case you do not know, we represent Africa everywhere we go. And ladies and gentlemen, 30BG is in the building tonight. When I say LBO, you say Bettis! OBO! 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 Everybody put your flags up! All the way in the back! This is what the fuck we do! 30BG! Bombardier boys! I said Kigali, are you ready? We don't play no games! We turn up! And I brought to you the baddest that there ever will be in a long time! Come on! When I say OBO, you say baddest! OBO! It's showtime, baby! We gon' burn this bitch down! We love energy and good vibes! Hey, yo, somebody bring me David! It's showtime! Hey, yo, Kingsman! Let's get it! Come on! We outside with it! December 2025! Chill!
5 is the rhythm of life. 5 albums. 5 siblings. 5 is freedom. This is the legacy of 5, and he
Guys, are you ready for OBO?
is active.
Guys, are you ready for Davido?
Let's go. Say this. We have the beautiful First Lady of Rwanda in the building tonight coming to watch your boy. Welcome to the show, Your Excellency. Let me hear you!
Me, I no fit like say you put me on cruise. Waiting I want to. Girl, it's your body, got me feeling confused. Say my baby fine, cause a million. Me, I don't mind, but don't know about that.